Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can delete a group you create on Google Groups. So let us get started. So head over to your account on Google Groups, navigate to My Groups here on the left hand side. Next guys, what you want to do is go through that list of your groups and the one you'd like to delete, click into that gear icon here to access the given group's settings. And here in your settings, what you want to do is make sure that you select group settings on the left hand side and stay at the general tab here. So in the general settings, what you want to do guys is scroll all the way down. So let me do this and navigate to the delete group tab here at the very bottom. And remember guys, deleting a group is permanent and can't be undone. So if you click into this button, confirm it here, the given group will be deleted with all its saved conversations and settings. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.